Top 5 Best Wheeled Patio Cooler. Number 5. Igloo Sportsman 30. For fishing, cookouts, and everything in between, this 150-quart cooler will keep your items ice cold. The ultratherm foam interior is meant to keep ice cold for up to 5 days in surrounding temperatures of 90 degrees. Plus, the polyethylene exterior is made with UV inhibitors and infrared technology to protect against sun damage. While this cooler has a huge capacity that's bound to become heavy, it also features a telescoping, cushion grip handle that expands for easy transport with minimal effort. When you're on the go, you can also utilize the impact-resistant latch to securely close the lid and avoid spills. When you're finished at the end of the day, simply remove the plug for easy drainage and faster drying. Why we love it. This high-capacity cooler retains ice for up to 5 days. What to consider? At such a high volume, this cooler will become very heavy when filled to capacity. Coming in number 4. Permasteel 80-quart Patio Rolling Cooler. Calling all home entertainment and interior or exterior design enthusiasts, we love the look of this retro-style rolling party cooler. It's perfect for family use and gatherings with friends on the deck, by the pool, or for a backyard barbecue. The cleverly designed 80-quart ice chest boasts a beautiful powder-coated steel surface, while the polypropylene, one of the most recyclable types of plastic inner lining, insulates to keep drinks and treats cold for days. A lower-level shelf bumps up the storage space, and a bottle opener with catch tray is a bonus. The rear drain spout allows for swift cleaning. Multi-directional wheels with a brake or lock system and 2 durable handles mean the cooler is flexible to roll or carry as needed. Coming in number 3. Igloo Latitude 60-quart Cooler. Compact and a breeze to roll across gravel, sand, grass, and dirt, Igloo's 60-quart Latitude cooler smoothly goes the distance, holds up to 90 cans, and can keep ice cold for at least 3 days without a hefty price tag. If you need a cooler for a day or weekend-long camping getaway, beach excursion, or road trip, this polyurethane foam insulated chest will have your back. The 4 built-in cup holders are handy when you use the lid as a small tabletop. Features like a bail handle that folds flat into the liner for easy storage, a triple snap drain plug, condiment shelf liner, and molded side scoop handles for carrying and easy unloading make this a smart and durable purchase. Why we love it. The cooler has high-functioning, all-terrain wheels at an affordable price. What to consider? The lid is not secured by a latch. Coming in number 2. Pelican RC45 Cutie Wheeled Elite Cooler. Planning a camping trip? Look no further than the trusty Pelican 45 Cutie Elite Wheeled Cooler to haul up to a week's worth of provisions from home to car to trailhead and keep it all chilled in the process. Although the wheeled version of the cooler is rotomolded and not injection molded, Pelican guarantees its coolers with a lifetime warranty. The wheeled version still boasts a 2-inch wall of insulation, molded locking closure, and freezer-grade gasket, ensuring that a fully loaded, iced cooler will stay frosty for at least 7 days. This high-end, rugged cooler's large diameter wheels and smooth pulling mean you can tackle all terrains with confidence. Coming in number 1. YETI Tundra Hall Portable Wheeled Cooler. The Tundra Hall Hard Cooler is a solid choice in the wheeled cooler market, offering multiple crucial features. Not only do the brand's reputable toughness and durability hold up against the competition, the cooler boasts superior insulation and a comfortable towing design. The cooler walls boast up to 2 inches of insulation to maintain ice integrity, even withstanding triple-digit temperatures. The commercial-grade polyurethane foam pressure injected into the cooler's walls and lid keep ice and other contents extra frosty for days. Solid, single-piece, and puncture-resistant tires mean this cooler can easily roll over gravel, rocks, marina docks, and even sand, but softer or muddy terrain could prove challenging as this is a heavy product when fully packed. Fortunately, the cooler's curved design allows for left and right towing, and the firm aluminum arm tapers to a handle with comfortable grips. Overall, the Tundra Hard Hall Cooler's rotomolded construction means it lives up to the brand's all-weather, indestructible claims. Bonus, this cooler comes in a multitude of attractive colors, and an accessory pack with a compatible basket and divider is newly available. Why we love it. The YETI Tundra Hall Hard Cooler was created with 3 main goals in mind: to improve durability, to extend the cold life of ice, and to resist the elements, and it succeeds. What to consider. The certified bear-safe design protects your provisions from paws and claws but also means this cooler is quite heavy.